Good morning this Wednesday, the 1st of February. I'm Grady Wolf, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, the US market closed higher on Tuesday following the release of upbeat earnings results and encouraging economic data. General Motors shares rose over 8% on Tuesday after reporting quarterly results that surprised markets, including earnings per share of $2.12 per share and revenue of $43.11 billion US dollars, which both well exceeded analysts' expectations. The Dow Jones rose 1.1%, the S&P 500 gained 1.47% to record its best January since 2019, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq ended the day up 1.67%. The Fed's FOMC meeting ends today and has investors weighing up whether the Fed will continue its aggressive rate hike strategy or whether recent favourable economic data will ease the Fed's stance, including personal spending in the US falling by 0.2% for the second consecutive month in December, and US CPI showing goods and services prices have dropped for the first time since May 2020, as the inflation rate fell to 6.5% for December, down from 7.1% in November. The expectation in the US is for a 25 basis point rate hike to be announced for the month, which is the lowest since March 2022. Over in Europe, markets closed Tuesday's session lower despite Eurozone growth figures coming in ahead of estimates, with growth of 0.1% in the last quarter of 2022. Investors in the region are now focused on the European Central Bank interest rate decision out on Thursday. German retail sales for December showed a surprise fall, which paints a mixed picture of economic conditions in the region ahead of the rate decision tomorrow. Germany's DAX and the French CAC each closed Tuesday's session flat, but the FTSE 100 in the UK fell 0.17%. On the commodities front, oil is up 1.17% this morning at 78 US dollars and 81 cents a barrel. Gold is up 0.34% at 1,929 US dollars an ounce, and iron ore is up 4.42% at 130 US dollars a tonne. Ahead of the local trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX to open the midweek session 0.43% higher on the back of that strong session on Wall Street overnight. The Australian dollar is buying 70 US cents, 91.81 Japanese yen, 56.91 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased its price target on Ardua Biosurgery from $1.40 to $1.45 and maintain a buy rating on the healthcare company following the release of the company's third quarter trading update. For the quarter, Ardua reported maintenance of revenue within the guidance range for FY23, and normalised EBITDA is expected to break even for FY23. Ardua also announced it's enrolled 138 out of 300 patients for its Myriad registry. Bell Potter sees key catalysts from the report and Myriad registry update are expected in the coming months and have increased the price target on Ardua as a result. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Endeavour Group following the formation of a pattern over a period of 35 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $6.63 to the range of $6.99 to $7.07, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for today. We hope you have a wonderful Wednesday and happy investing.